7 Microsoft Office alternatives that are completely free. Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something super exciting for you. We're talking about 7 Microsoft Office alternatives that are completely free. Yeah, you heard that right, completely free. So, if you're tired of shelling out loads of cash for your Office software, you're in the right place. Number 7. Apache OpenOffice. First up, there's Apache OpenOffice. It's open source and works on Windows, Linux, and Mac. Super user-friendly, and you can edit Microsoft Office files with ease. Plus, it's super lightweight, so it runs like a charm even on low-spec computers. Number 6. WPS Office. WPS Office is a very popular alternative. It's free and available on Windows, Linux, Mac, iOS, and Android. The user interface looks a lot like Microsoft Office, so it's super easy to use. You can open spreadsheets, documents, and presentations all in one window, just like your trusty browser. Number 5. Zoho Docs. Now, let's talk about Zoho Docs. It's an online platform that's got you covered, and it's a lot like Microsoft Office. You get 5 GB of free cloud storage and a 1 GB file upload limit, which is great for teams of up to 6 members. Regular updates mean you're always on top of your game. Number 4. Google Workspace. Workspace is another online option that's fantastic. It offers 8 products, including alternatives to Excel, Word, and PowerPoint. All you need is a Google account, and you're in. It plays super nice with Microsoft Office files, plus it offers free document templates. Sharing and collaborating with others? Piece of cake. Number 3. FreeOffice. FreeOffice is another cool alternative to Microsoft Office. It's a cross-platform suite with tools that match up with Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. The interface looks just like Microsoft Office, and it's even compatible with their file formats, so no need for conversion. Number 2. OnlyOffice. OnlyOffice takes the runner-up position. We've got OnlyOffice. It comes in both paid and free versions, compatible with Linux, Windows, and Mac OS. Just like Google Workspace, it's perfect for collaborating with your team. Plus, it's open source, which means anyone can modify it. The interface is like a twin to Microsoft Office, so you'll feel right at home. Number 1. Libre Office. Now, here's our top pick, Libre Office. It's available on multiple platforms, open source, and it offers alternatives to Excel, Word, and PowerPoint. But wait, there's more. It also has extra software for databases, vector graphics, and mathematics. And the file compatibility has seen significant improvements. So, there you have it, folks, 7 incredible alternatives to Microsoft Office that won't cost you a dime. Whether you're into open source or prefer an online-based suite, there's something for everyone. Please give this video a thumbs up if it was useful for you, and don't forget to share with your friends. URLs for all sites mentioned are in the description. Stay safe and see you on the next one.